Today's Toolbox talk here at ProTech is about portable handheld electric tools. The tools we use every day, the ones we rely on, and the ones that can seriously injure us if they're damaged or misused. Electric tools take a lot of abuse on site. When they're not checked properly or used correctly, they can cause electric shock, burns, cuts, HAV exposure, and other avoidable injuries. So this morning we're going to cover three things: pre-use checks, safe use, and the hazards you need to stay aware of. Pre-use checks. Before you even plug a tool in, you must make sure it's safe. Here's what you need to look for. First, check that the tool has been PAT tested and has a valid label. If it's a battery tool, the charger must also be PAT tested. If it's not labeled, don't use it. Second, check the casing. If it's cracked, loose, or looks like it's taken a knock, report it. Don't try to make do. Third, look at the cables, plugs, and connectors. No cuts, no exposed wires, no loose fittings. Fourth, make sure any guards are fitted, secure, and adjustable. And finally, check the power supply. We only use 110-volt tools or battery-powered tools. Transformers must also be tested and labeled. If any of these checks fail, stop and report it. Never take a chance with electrical equipment. Safe use. Once you've confirmed the tool is safe, here's how to use it properly. Use the tool only for its intended purpose. No improvising, no shortcuts. Check the switches before you connect to power. If they're sticking or not working properly, don't use the tool. Wear the correct PPE, eye protection, gloves, and hearing protection as required by your method statement. Always disconnect the tool when you're not using it, or when you're changing blades, bits, or attachments. Tools must be regularly inspected and maintained by a competent person, not by guesswork. If the tool creates dust, use the correct RPE and make sure any on-tool extraction is connected to a vacuum. Hazards. A few key hazards to stay alert to. Keep power cables off the floor where possible. They get damaged, they cause trips, and they can trail through water. Electric tools often create noise hazards, so wear hearing protection when needed. Never use electric tools while standing on wet or damp surfaces. Keep the tool clean and dry. Never plug a tool into a lighting socket. Only 110 volts or battery tools are allowed on site. If a tool becomes wet, let it dry fully and have it checked by a competent person before using it again. And finally, be aware of hand-arm vibration. Check your risk assessment and know the vibration rating of the tool you're using. So to summarize, check the tool, use it safely, know the hazards. If something doesn't look right, stop and report it. No job is worth risking an electric shock or a serious injury, and as you know, your safety comes first.